Welcome student for maths class chapter number 5 lines and angle part 2. Student, in the last video we already started about the angles and studying about acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Today we will see some more information about the angles. Now next is a straight line. Okay, straight line means here angle whose measurement is exactly 180. Okay, so the definition what? A straight angle change the direction to point the opposite way. It's look like a straight line. Okay, its measurement is 180 when we measure from the protector. Half a revolution or 2 right angle. Okay, we know that right angle having measurement is 90 degree. Okay, suppose I drawn here one perpendicular line, we will get what? 90 this side and 90 this side. So 90 plus 90 is how much? 180. It's forming the straight line. Okay, so it is called straight angle. Next, about the reflex angle. Now here some examples are given. See 266, 230, 237, 224. These all are reflex angle. Reflex angle whose measurement is more than 180 but they less than 360. They are called what? Reflex angle. Understood? Their measurement is more than 180. Means 181 is a reflex angle and 359 is also a reflex angle. Okay. Next, see adjacent angle. Now the word adjacent only showing here. Okay. Who having only one common arms. So see the definition. Adjacent angle often shortened as edges, okay, are the angle that have a common ray coming out of the vertex going between two rays. In another word, they are angle that are side by side or adjacent. Okay, so vertex we are already studying. What is vertex? Here B is a vertex. Okay. Now from here we find that BC is a common arm. Okay. Means we can form one angle that is ABC and second angle will be DBC. Okay. So BC is a common arm. Okay. So we can say they are side by side. ABC and DBC, they are side by side. So this type of angle is known as adjacent angle. Understood? Next, see vertical opposite angle. Now vertical opposite angle, here a pair of angle is said to be a vertical opposite which is abbreviated as vertical opposite sides. Okay. If the angle are formed from two intersecting lines and the angle are not adjacent, they all share a vertex. Such angle are equal in measure and can be described as congruent. Now see, here in easy way we can define this vertical opposite angle, that is when two lines intersect each other. Okay, when two lines intersect each other and form angles, we will find that these two are the angles which are opposite of each other and they are congruent. Congruent means they are equal in their measurement. Okay, suppose this angle is 50 degree. So the opposite angle, this will be what? 50. So we say it is congruent. Their measurement is same. Okay, in the same way here this angle and this angle will be vertical opposite angle. Okay, now suppose this angle will be 130. Okay, so the next opposite angle will be what here? 130. We say they are congruent. Understood? Next, linear pair of angle. Now linear pair of angle measurement is also equals to 180. Now you will ask, what is the difference between linear pair of angle and straight angle? So straight angle is a single angle, okay. We can form 180 when the measurement is correct, 180. And in the linear pair of angle, here we use the word pair, means two angles are formed using a common pair, okay. So here which are the two angles? So this one A is an angle, okay, and B1 is also an angle. So A plus B equals to what? 180. Suppose the angle A will be here 120. So what will be the measurement of angle B? That is 180 minus 120, we will get what? 60. Then we will get a linear pair of angle, means 120 plus 60 equals to what? 180. So such type of angle is known as linear pair of angle. So the definition, see, a pair of adjacent angle formed by intersecting line. Linear pair of angle are supplementary. Now when we using the word supplementary, it means 180. Understood? Again I repeat, supplementary means the measurement is 180 degree. Okay. Next, parallel lines and transversal. Now we already studied about the parallel lines. Two lines that never meet, the distance will be always same. Such line known as parallel line. Now transversal. See here, a transversal or a line that intersecting two or more coplanar lines each at a different point is a very useful line in the geometry. Okay. Now transversal tell us a great deal about the angles. When two parallel lines are given and one transverse line intersecting at different point, it forming many angles there. Okay. Now first study about the parallel lines. Parallel lines remain the same distance apart over their entire length. So we will find the equal distance in their line. No matter how far they extend them, they will never meet. Though the parallel line are small or big, it's how much it's extending, it will not show the difference in their lengths or difference between that two lines. Okay. Now what type of angles are formed when a transversal passes from the parallel line? We will get what? Corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, interior angle on the same side of transversal. Okay, these all points are very important. Okay, when we are solving the exercise, we will study again. Okay, so now let's start to study the angles one by one. Now first is an corresponding angle. Okay, the angle that occupy the same relative position at each intersection where a straight line crosses two other. If the two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, where the corresponding angles are equal. Now see here, M and N are the two lines, okay, and T is a transversal. When it passes from it, we will find that there are corresponding angles are formed. Vertical opposite angles are formed. Interior angles are formed. So now first study about the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle here, which is related to their same side. Okay. Now here angle written here 1, 2, 3, 4 will read as a angle 1, angle 2. Okay. So angle 1, this one is an angle 1. It is equal to angle 5. Okay. Like that, angle 3 on the same side, it is equals to angle 7. Okay. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6 and angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Okay, I already written here. So these are the corresponding angle. Okay, that they occupy the same relative position at each intersection. Understood? These are the corresponding angle. Next, about the alternate interior angle. Alternate means, you know that, and interior means inside that angle. Okay, so when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the two pair of angle on opposite side of the transversal and inside the parallel line and the angle in each pair are congruent. Now with the color only shown that these four angle here, the angle which are formed inside this parallel line, they are called interior angle. Okay, now we are studying about the alternate interior angle. Okay, now here 5 and 6, 5 is an opposite angle of 6, so they call as alternate interior angle. In the same way, 7, angle 7 is opposite of angle 8. Okay, so they are also called alternate interior angle. Understood? Next, even listen one thing. When we measure, suppose angle 5. Angle 5 is suppose 50. So what will be the measurement of angle 6? It is again 50 because they are alternate. Alternative, they are same. Okay. Next, alternate exterior angle. Now exterior, we are talking about the exterior angle, means these are the interior angle, we are talking about the outside of these angles. Okay, so see the definition. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the two pair of angles on opposite side of the transversal and outside the parallel line and the angle in each pair are congruent. Okay, so which are the alternate exterior angle here? See, A and H, they are the alternate exterior angle. In the same way, B and G is also an alternate exterior angle. Okay. Next, these are the general topics we study in chapter 5. Okay. Now on the basis of these concept, we will start to solve our exercise 5.1 in next video.